If your hair keeps breaking, if your ends feel dry, and you don't know how to retain the length of your hair, you need to watch this video to the end, because this rosemary and clove hair butter completely change how my hair feels, how much it breaks, and how well it holds moisture. This isn't just another DIY, this actually works, okay? For this hair butter, I'm using shea butter for deep moisture and softness, mango butter to strengthen and smoothen the hair without heaviness, okay? And then rosemary and clove oil, I already infused it, which is the one you saw in the bottle. It helps to, for scalp stimulation, reduce breakage, and yeah, a few essential oils which helps to improve absorption, scent, and overall scalp comfort. So this blend is perfect if your hair breaks easily, or if it feels dry often, or you struggle with length retention. As seen in the video, I started by melting the butters with double boiling method. So if you're going to do your double boiling method, please ensure that you use either a stainless bowl or a glass bowl. Don't use a plastic like I used here, okay? Once I melt everything, I stir it very well so that the products will mix together, and then I allow it to cool and keep it in the fridge for some minutes. That's how it solidifies before I mix it together until I get a smooth fluffy butter that melts easily into the hair, as seen in the video. Now you can see how the texture is looking. I added some essential oils, so you can use any essential oils of your choice, maybe rosemary essential oil, clove essential oil, since this is a clove and rosemary hair butter, okay? So you can use any essential oils of your choice. You can also use vitamin E oil. It has an antioxidant properties which helps to also preserve the product, okay? But this our product is basically oils and butter, so this can last as long as possible, like 12 months. So it doesn't need any preservative because these are natural products. So you can see how I mix it together to get a fluffy texture. This looks really rich, okay? As you can see, it's not greasy. This mixture is mixed so that it will be able to melt properly. It won't be too greasy on your hair, it won't be too heavy on your hair. You can see the texture, very demure, very mindful. For those that are new to this channel, you're welcome. I am Alice, and on this channel we focus on healthy hair, length retention, and simple routine that actually fits real life. That's why I'm showing you how I make my rosemary and clove hair butter, why this ingredient really works, and exactly how I apply it to stop breakage and also support extreme hair growth. Let's be honest, most of us are not struggling to grow our hair. Our hair is growing. The real problem is breakage, dry ends, thin edges, brittle hair, and that feeling like your hair never gets past a certain length. And one major reason is that oils alone does not seal moisture for long enough, especially if you have relaxed hair, heat trained hair, or low porosity hair. That's where the hair butter comes in. So as seen in the video, you guys can see how this melts into the skin. This is the reason for this mixture, so that it won't be too greasy on the hair. And the same way it melts like this is the same way when you apply it on your hair, it will seal up your moisture. So this is another one, the one that I did it whisked after, the one I didn't mix together, just to give you a greasy kind of look, as you can see. And this also melts in the hand very easily. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I apply it on my hair. I apply the hair butter on a damp hair after moisturizing with a water-based leave-in conditioner. So you can either use water to hydrate your hair and then you use your leave-in conditioner, make sure it's a moisturizing leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer. And as you can see, I focus on the length of the hair as well as the ends of the hair, because that's where breakage starts, and then slightly to the rest of my hair. So from my scalp, I use a very little amount and massage my scalp gently as seen. You can use this hair butter to seal up moisture for your mini braid protective hairstyles. You can also use it for your relaxed or stretch hair or your natural hair, and also for your night routine before braiding or twisting, and covering your hair with your hair bonnet. Please note that this hair butter will not grow your hair overnight, but what it will do is reduce hair breakage, keep your hair moisturized for longer, and help you actually retain the growth you are already getting. And that's how real it happens. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share to your loved ones, subscribe if you're yet to, and leave a beautiful comment down below. Healthy hair is not about using more products, it's about using the right ones the right way. I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.